Welcome to another video. In this one I will show you how to turn on the Bluetooth and off and on in Windows 11. Let's check it. You could have a Bluetooth dongle. Like this one, just a simple USB Bluetooth dongle, or if you do this on a laptop, it will be built in on the laptop, and that's how you turn it on and off. Okay, we are on the desktop now, and I will show you two ways to do it. If you want to turn on the Bluetooth, make sure if you have a computer or a desktop, make sure you have a Bluetooth dongle. They're very cheap. I will put links in the description to find one. And if you already have the Bluetooth dongle, then you have to plug it in any USB port, and you have to look. Once you plug in the USB dongle for Bluetooth in the computer, you can do this, and if you have a laptop, you already have the Bluetooth enabled built in. On the laptops, there might be a shortcut to enable the Bluetooth or no, but I will show you the generic way for Windows. So you click on the network here, where it's I'll show you with the click now, easier. Okay, so you go to where you have this speaker sign, and where is the speaker sign, you click here, and there is the Bluetooth signal, the Bluetooth light, and you press on the arrow here to search for devices, but you can press on this on the left side to turn it off. So now the Bluetooth is off, and if I go to the same menu, I press on the speaker or the network there, I press again on Bluetooth, and it's on, and it's searching for devices, and it will pair with the device that is already paired. If you don't have any device here, you can pair with the new device. You can get the same menu by pressing Windows and A on your keyboard, the Windows key plus A. It doesn't show on the screen. So Windows key plus A, it will show you, but it's the same menu. So this is how I turn on the Bluetooth and off. This is on, and now you can search for devices and find the devices to connect to, and now it's off. That's it. It's really simple. And this is on Windows 11. This is really simple. Thanks for watching. And that's it. This is how you turn the Bluetooth on and off in Windows 11 on your computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Better put it back on. Okay, another video.